has decided that our number two nominee will be from Tarlac because I need the votes in Tarlac. I hope you understand the political move. But my number three nominee, I also want him to be a Sambuangueño. Hindi ako sway big time, hindi ako sway big time. Kaya sabi ustedes, si Ara Chede yung poco pwede yung kampanya. Ang pinanggalingan ko po ay napakababa. Tricycle, jeep, di ba na clerk, di ba tatay, kaya lang guardia, kaya clerk kami. Tapos ko yung gente, temasa también. Medyo, sabi ko sa amigos, yung antes pareho, ele el in charge también, ay ele el presidente del Councilors League of the Philippines. Un Sambuangueño, el Isoyosillo, el focus na Zamboanga, general focus na Tarlac. Siyempre, massive ang linya social media campaign. Manada yung politiko, kaibigan na Manila, si Ilaamin ko, si Scott, barkada ko yun, si Alan, barkada. Ang dami kong kaibigan. Pero kailangan ko boto pa rin sa buong Pilipinas. Tama? Kaya ang partido po ay nag-decide na si Mr. Tito Espiritu Santo po ang presidente ng mga kagawad ng Zamboanga. Si Tito very, ano niya, no? So, siya po ay i-decide ko po, sana matulungan niya ako, mag-ikot siya po sa buong Pilipinas. Sabi ko sa kanya, huwag ka na masyado dito sa Zamboanga. Kaya na ng tao niya. Siya po ay pumupunta sa lahat ng mga kagawad na organisasyon sa buong Pilipinas. Umiikot siya for the last 6 months. Tumutulong din siya dito pero mas nagustuhan ko sana he goes around. I will take care of the Zamboanga side of it with his help, with the party Climaco, our chairman. And then, by the way, there are a lot of local politicians who already talked to me. A lot of them. I will not name names because it's not good. I will help them. And they also promised me that they will. Ngayon panahon, I'm going on house to house already. I have visited about 10 barangays. By end of November, I will finish the 98 barangays. I talked to all the barangay kagawas. I am meeting with all the barangay health workers, the barangay anots, the urban poor, the very important sa akin, yung mga PWDs, the church, to solidify my support for all LGBT community, and I hope I can make this. And the next time I call a press conference, I hope it will be to celebrate our victory together. Your victory. Maraming salamat.
We have decided for our third nominee, it will be Tito Espiritu Santo. So si Chenita Suerte, Magdalena Suerte, we will have 4 congressmen representing Zamboanga City.
Ito, you may want to say something.
Yeah, buenas tardes. Most of you here, bien conoce yo, y conoce ustedes con ito también. And firstly, te pidió miles de gracias con el SSS GSIS pensioner at least for including me as one of the nominees. Now, mas kita representahan nyo as the one DCLP, that is the Barangay Councilors League of the Philippines, as national president. Pero el de mio corazón is akin na Zamboanga. Sabi ustedes, I grew up in Zamboanga City, and ya puedo mirar si cosa el Zamboanga ngayon. Necesita el Zamboanga ayuda de todo. And ya queda también yung uno presidente de local, which is the Barcasa. And sabi ustedes, ako negative attention, especialmente con el mga barangay officials. And it's not that tadi kami como representante del SSS, GSI's pensionado party list. But one of my mission is to encourage not only mga barangay officials that Zamboanga City, likewise Coronel National, to be members of the SSS. And one of our mission, as I have told si Sir Rolly, I will go on spreading in not only LD Ato na ganito sa mga barangay officials to be member of the SSS, but I am encouraging everybody to be a part of the SSS. Eh sabi ustedes, when ayuda estate para del buen del di atong pamilya.